You got the call. Someone you love is in the hospital, and suddenly, nothing makes sense. The doctors speak a language you don't understand. The answers keep changing, and no one has time to explain what's really happening. You watch your mom get moved from the ICU to a regular floor, and you don't know if that's good news or terrifying news. You hear words like observation status and med reconciliation and discharge planning, and you smile and nod because you don't want to seem difficult. You go home at night and search symptoms on Google at 2 a.m., and you end up more scared than when you started. That's not your fault. Healthcare was never designed to be understood by the people who need it most. I'm Arne Facklum. I've been a nurse and a nurse practitioner for 34 years. In emergency medicine, both general and pediatric critical care transport, flight nursing, critical care, and hospital medicine as an NP. I have sat at more bedsides than I can count. And I have watched families, smart, caring, devoted families, feel completely lost in a system that nobody ever took the time to explain to them. That ends today. Coming soon is the PlainSpeak Health Hospital Insider System, the only resource that gives families a true insider's view of what's happening, why it's happening, and what to do next. This isn't a pamphlet. This isn't a generic health website. This is 5 integrated tools built from 3 decades on the inside. The Hospital Survival Toolkit walks you through every stage of a hospital stay, from admission to discharge, so you always know what's coming next. The Medication Safety System protects your loved one from the most dangerous moment in any hospitalization, going home. The red, yellow, green recovery guides tell you exactly when to worry, when to wait, and when to call 911. The Family Advocacy Framework teaches you how to speak up effectively without becoming labeled as the difficult family. And the behind-the-scenes insider education, this is the part nobody else offers. I explain why answers change, why discharge feels rushed, why the specialist disagrees with the hospitalist, why a normal test doesn't always mean everything is normal. The truth, from someone who was in those rooms. Because here's what I've learned after all these years. Families don't need more medical information. They need confidence during the most overwhelming moments of their lives. When healthcare becomes confusing, frightening, and completely out of your control, PlainSpeak Health gives you back the one thing the system takes away: understanding. The PlainSpeak Health Hospital Insider System is coming soon. Visit ps-health.com to get access. Because the next hospitalization isn't scheduled, and the families who are prepared feel the difference. PlainSpeak Health. Finally, someone explaining what's really happening.